Fosensor technology is dedicated to sensor-based IoT technology and has accumulated 17 years of sensor research experience that has obtained over 100 patents. Our company has created a gas sensing technology platform based on the principles of optical, infrared, laser, electrochemical, MEMS, semiconductor, and solid electrolyte. Our products are widely used in automotive electronics, energy storage monitoring, lithium thermal runaway monitoring, smart grid, smart home appliances, environmental monitoring, medical care, robotics field, gauge meters, smart security, smart agriculture, and smart city. Fosensor technology relies on gas sensor research as a core that has independently developed dust sensor series, formaldehyde sensor series, carbon dioxide sensor series, TVOC sensor series, ozone, alcohol, oxygen, carbon monoxide, sulfur hexafluoride, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia and other special gas sensor series. Laser dust sensor can be used to obtain data of PM 1.0, PM 2.5, PM 10 in the air, per unit volume, and output it by a digital interface. It has been widely applied in industrial environment monitoring, indoor air quality monitoring, vehicle gas emission analysis and scientific research. Formaldehyde sensor is anti-alcohol interference, calibration-free, 10% of error rate and high sensitive response. It is widely used in air purifier, office, infant's room, and inside the vehicle. Carbon dioxide sensor combines NDIR detection technology with optical circuitry, giving it long service life and stable data output. It supports digital output and analog voltage output for ease of use. It is widely used in hospital, smart agriculture, and indoor ventilation system. TVOC sensor uses advanced semiconductor technology that has a very high sensitivity to organic volatile gases such as formaldehyde, benzene, alcohol, smoke, carbon monoxide. And the unique nanomaterial diaphragm is used, which is waterproof, oil-proof and dust-proof. It is common to apply in nursing house, school classroom, and inside train carriage. Fosensor's special gas sensors can detect ozone, alcohol, oxygen, carbon monoxide, sulfur hexafluoride, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia and over 300 types of special gases which have been widely used in chemical factories, unmanned aircraft, security robot, gas leaking detection. Fosensor technology also applies multiple types of sensors and IoT technology that works on providing solutions for car battery thermal runaway, hydrogen power leaking, and lithium storage plantation. Also, we will merge it into computer monitoring system. Fosensor multi-parameter sensor is a signature product of Fosensor's application. One module can freely combine multiple sensors, and it can connect internet via 485, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa, NB-IoT, and Zigbee. It has been widely used in various fields, such as smart buildings, smart communities, schools, subways, hospitals, industries and animal husbandry. Fosensor Technologies Industrial Gauge Meter Series, integrated multi-parameter gas sensors, mobile detection and data transfer to the cloud platform, and store 1 year of data. The gauge meters can detect carbon monoxide, combustible gases, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, and hydrogen sulfide. Widely used in oil, mining, coal, smelting, power, pharmaceutical manufacturing, industrial production gas leak detection. Fosensor Technologies Home Air Quality Monitor Series, integrated multi-parameter gas sensor, can detect dust, AQI, formaldehyde, TVOC, temperature and humidity. Histogram and data can be exported. The histogram can indicate the fluctuation of pollutant concentration in the last 12 hours. Effective detection of indoor and outdoor environmental quality in homes, offices, and cars. Fosensor is a worldwide leading sensor producer and sensor solution maker. Perceiving with heart, creating the beautiful future.